Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Alex with Crafty McGeek, and today I have a Dollar Tree walkthrough for you. First new items I found were right at the front of the store, and they are these robots. And then right behind that I found some of the dessert squishies. Over on the toy aisle I found the cupcake and fruit squishies. And then I came across these new Disney puzzles. These are 300-piece puzzles. They had Incredibles, Dumbo, Donald, Disney Princesses, Mickey, Wreck-It Ralph, Jasmine, and The Lion King. And then I found some new stickers. These are Lisa Frank stickers, 600 count. And then I found some new spiral journals. All three of these have gold foil on the cover of them. And then I found 3 non-spiral journals. This one has pink foil. And then I found some new Sudoku and crossword books. Found 2 designs of each style of puzzle. I came across some new 2019-2020 student planners that I haven't seen in my stores before. They had several cute designs. And then I found some new pencils. These are by Jot, and they are 12 packs. And then I came across some new Uniball pens. These are in vibrant colors with polka dots. Then I found the Jot scented markers and the Jot mini gel pens. My store also had these metallic decor pieces. They had the silver llama, the gold parrot, the pink flamingo, the gold unicorn, the blue balloon dog, the silver Pegasus unicorn, and the silver star. These wooden crosses were also new to my store. They had several different designs, some with bows, some with galvanized steel crosses, and some with galvanized steel words. These hanging glass terrariums are new to my stores as well. And then I came across these stand-up crosses and several more decor pieces. They had the apples in full stock. And they had the little cookie jewelry dishes. And these magnets were new. These cute little cats. They had 4 packs of mini scrapers. They usually only have 2 packs. And then I found the 100 lumen LED desk lamp. That's pretty cool. And I also came across some Old Spice. I've seen the marshmallow gummies before, but not the narwhal. They had several new wine glasses. This one says, "Give me more wine or leave me alone." And then I found some new farmhouse style dish towels. And as I'm coming to the end of the video now, I'd like to take the time to say thank you for joining me today. I hope you found something new that you can add to your wish list. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe down below. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.